Hello student, we are discuss some definitions of permutation. Okay, so first definition is signature of permutation. Okay, signature of permutation. Signature of permutation. Okay. So definition of signature. How to find signature? Okay. Let sigma belongs to Sn. Sn means set symmetric group. Okay, which contains n different element. Okay. Sigma belongs to Sn means Sn is a notation of symmetric group. Definition of symmetric group is seen in previous lecture. Okay. Sigma belongs to Sn. B given any permutation, B given any permutation, B given any permutation, then signature of sigma is denoted by epsilon sigma. Okay, this is notation of signature of permutation. Okay, and is defined as epsilon sigma equal to product of epsilon sigma equal to, this is symbol of product. Okay, product of sigma I minus sigma j divided by I minus j. Okay, where 1 is less equal, I is less equal, j is less equal n. Okay, this is definition of signature of permutation. Okay, so how to find signature of permutation is seen in some examples. Okay, but there before that remark. Okay, signature means only these definitions: sigma I minus sigma j divided by I minus j. Okay, so to see example, first see that remark. Okay, first remark is signature of permutation. Signature of permutation is either +1 or -1. Okay, this is very important. Signature of permutation either +1 or -1. Okay, then second, signature of U1 permutation. Signature of U1 permutation is equal to 1. Okay, this is very important. Signature of U1 permutation is equal to 1. If we find if question is asking given permutation is even or odd, then to find their signature. Okay, then to find their signature, if signature equal to 1, then given permutation is even permutation. If signature is not equal to 1, means which is -1, then signature is odd permutation. So third remark is signature of odd permutation is signature of odd permutation is equal to -1. Okay, so if given to find even or odd permutation, if then find their signature. If signature equal to 1, then given permutation is even permutation, and if signature is -1, then given permutation is odd permutation. So example, examine whether sigma is odd or even permutation. Examine where sigma is odd or even permutation, where sigma equal to 1 2 3 3 2 1. Okay, here sigma is given there. How to find the given permutation is odd or even, to find their signature. Okay, to find their signature, how to finding their signature? By definition of signature. What is definition of signature? Epsilon sigma equal to product of sigma I minus sigma j divided by I minus j, where 1 is less equal I, less equal j, less equal n. Okay, sorry, here less equal, not less equal, only less than. Okay, only less than. 1 is less equal I, less than j, less equal n. Okay, so here n is 3, because we sigma contains 3 distinct element, 1 2 3. Okay, so n is 3, therefore epsilon sigma equal to here product of sigma I minus sigma j divided by I minus j. Okay, I and j are 1 2 3. This is I j. This upper side are I j k, and sigma of I means sigma of 1, sigma of 2, sigma of 3. Their value are 3 2 1. Okay, means sigma I. Suppose that here sigma I is 1, I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Suppose then sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Sigma 1 their value is 3, sigma 2 their value is 2 divided by I minus j, means 1 minus 2. Okay, and their product. Okay, so here how to find their signature, which is product of sigma I minus sigma j divided by I minus j. Okay, here to write in express this formula, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 1 minus 2 sigma I j 1 minus 2. Okay, into then next is sigma 1. This is sigma 1, sigma, this is I, this is j. Okay, sigma 1 minus sigma 3 divided by 1 minus 3 into then next element is I is less than j, 2 and 3. Okay, sigma of 2 minus sigma of 3 divided by 2 minus 3. This is product of 3 elements. Okay, and sigma of 1 minus sigma of 2, this is their values. 1 has value is, and sigma of 2, 1 has value 3, 2 has value 2, 3 has value 1, and denominator as it is. Okay, so here sigma of 1 means the 1 has value is 3 minus 2 has value 2 divided by 1 minus 2 as it is, into sigma 1 has value 3 minus sigma 3 has value 1. Okay, minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 into sigma 2 has value is 2 minus sigma 3 has value is 1 divided by 2 minus 3 as it is. Then their multiplication is 3 minus 2 1 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, then 3 minus 2 is 2 divided by minus 2. Okay, 2 divided by minus 2, and here 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, and then their product is 2 divided by minus 2 equal to minus 1. Okay, and therefore epsilon sigma equal to minus 1, means signature of given permutation is minus 1. Therefore remark says that if signature of odd permutation is equal to minus 1, therefore here this signature is minus 1, therefore given permutation is, therefore sigma is odd permutation. Okay, how to finding Similarly, suppose that next example, sigma equal to suppose that 1 2 3 4 suppose that 3 2 1 and 4. Okay, then find their given sigma is here. Given sigma is odd or even. How to find epsilon sigma equal to? Okay, here I will value are direct written. These value are all values. Okay, so 1 as value is 3. Okay, 2 as value is 2. 2 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 into sigma 1 minus sigma 2. Okay, then sigma 1 minus sigma 3. Okay, 3 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3. Okay, then next is 1 minus 4. Okay, sigma 1 minus sigma 4. Sigma 1 has value is 3 and sigma 4 has value is 4. Okay, divided by 1 minus 4 as it is by using definition. Okay, then 2 and 3. Okay, sigma 1 minus sigma 2, sigma 1 minus sigma 3, sigma 1 minus sigma 4. Then sigma 2 minus sigma 3, sigma 2 minus sigma 4. Sigma 2 has value is 2 minus sigma 3 has value is 1 divided by 2 minus 3. Okay, then next is sigma 2 minus sigma 4. Sigma 2 has value 2 and sigma 4 has value 4 divided by 2 minus 4. Okay, then lastly is sigma 3 minus sigma 4. Sigma 3 has value is 1 and sigma 4 has value is 4 divided by 3 minus 4, and their product is 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2 divided by minus 2. Then 1 minus 1 divided by here minus 3. Okay, here 3 minus 4 divided by 1 minus 4 means minus 1 divided by minus 3. Okay, then 1 divided by minus 1. Then here minus 2 divided by 2 minus 4 minus 2. Okay, then here minus 3 divided by minus 1. Okay, so their product is minus minus plus minus minus. Here minus minus get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled. Here also minus minus get cancelled. Okay, means 1 into minus 1 into here 1 by 3 into 3. Okay, 1 by 3 into 3 value is 1. Then their value is minus 1 and their value is 1. So 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, and therefore given permutation is what? Given permutation is given permutation. Signature of sigma equal to 1. Therefore given permutation is even permutation. Okay, similarly solve this some examples in home. Okay, sigma equal to 1 2 3 4 5 3 2 1 4 4 and 5. Then sigma equal to, this is first, this is second. Sigma equal to 1 2 3 4 4 2 1 3. Okay, solve these two examples in home to find their signature similar way. Okay, next definition is alternating group. Okay, alternating group is a subset of symmetric group. Okay, alternating group. Okay, alternating group means the set which contains a even permutation. Okay, the set which contains even permutation in Sn. Okay, the set of even permutations in Sn. Sn is a symmetric group. Okay, this is symbol of symmetric group. with n which contains n elements. Okay, is called as alternating group. Is called alternating group, and it is denoted as, and it is denoted by, it is denoted by capital A suffix n, and this is symbol given as sigma belongs to Sn, where their signature equal to 1 means even permutation. Okay, this is set of if An means set of all even permutation. Okay, An contains a set of all even permutation. Okay, so this is a set alternating group. Okay, then theorem An is An alternating group. An is subgroup of Sn. An is alternating group means which contains only even permutation, and Sn is symmetry group which contains n elements means which contains n factorial permutations. Okay, in Sn there are n factorial permutations. Okay, so only An contains only even permutation, and Sn contains even odd all permutations. Okay, so to show here An is a subgroup of Sn. What is the definition of subgroup? Subgroup means when An is subgroup of Sn if it is closed under given this binary operation or this permutation. Okay, means their product. Okay, with respect to multiplication, if suppose that An choose any two permutation in An means An contains even permutation, two permutation contain even permutation, then their product of even permutation is again even permutation. This remark is seen in previous lecture. Okay, product of even permutation is even permutation, so which is closed under multiplication. Then their inverse, to find inverse of if any permutation choosing from An means which is even permutation, and inverse of even permutation is again a even permutation. Okay, which implies that which is inverse element also exist in An, and which is closed under which is also closed. Okay, so therefore An is a subgroup of Sn. So proof of this theorem, this is very simple proof. Let An, what is set of An? Sigma belongs to Sn, where epsilon sigma equal to 1 means signature of An equal to 1. Let choose two permutation from An. Suppose that sigma and tau. Okay, sigma and tau are okay, sigma and tau. These two notation for choosing from these two permutation belongs to An, that is sigma and tau are even permutation. Okay, because why this is even permutation? Because this permutation are choosing from An means alternating group. Okay, but product of even permutation is even permutation. Okay, product of even permutation is even permutation. Therefore sigma into tau belongs to An. Okay, because product of two even permutation is even permutation, and An contains even permutation. Therefore this even permutation is also belongs to An. Therefore which is closed under given multiplication. Okay, also to find inverse of permutation. Okay, also for sigma belongs to An, that is sigma is even permutation. Sigma is even permutation, but inverse of even permutation is even permutation, inverse of even permutation is even permutation. Okay, inverse of even permutation is even permutation. Therefore sigma inverse also belongs to in an. Why? Because sigma inverse also is even permutation and an contains even permutation set. Okay, therefore sigma inverse belongs to an, and therefore by definition of subgroup, okay, by definition of subgroup, sigma is, by definition of subgroup or theorem of subgroup, okay, an is a subgroup of Sn. Therefore an is subgroup of Sn. Okay, so this is theorem proof is completed. Okay.